So welcome
Welcome
to
to
our-
our nature walk.
Yes, before going for our nature walk, let us learn first that a tree is different from other plants in 4 ways. Number 1, most trees grow at least 15 to 20 feet. Wow, that's so tall. Can we measure it with a ruler? 15 feet?
No way.
Can you show me a ruler? I think we cannot, no? But then let's see how tall is 15 to 20 feet. That's 4.6 to 6.1 meters tall. And they have one woody stem called a trunk. Do you know what a trunk is?
No.
Later we will know, okay? So let's see. And then the stems grows at least 3 to 4 inches. Oh, you look at your ruler. There's inches there. Yung stem nila anak, we will try to see if how many inches. Usually 3 to 4. At that's the thickness, no? Thickness yun. Hindi pala length.
Huh?
Hindi pala length, thickness ng kanilang stem. A tree stem can stand by itself. All other plants differ from trees in at least one of these ways. An example are shrubs. Like trees, shrubs have woody stems. But shrubs have more than one stem. Oh, let's see kung ano yung shrubs later, ha?
Airplane.
Sabi dito, yung shrubs anak have woody stems. But shrubs have more than one stem and none of the stems grow as thick or as tall as a tree. Some vines will grow 200 feet. Wow, long and have a woody stem. So let's see. Let's see all this. Are you ready? Let's walk. Come on, stand up.
Mami, kailangan nga din ate pa yung pencil nga.
Oh, why? You will write on the tree? Oh, what tree is this one? That one.
Papaya tree.
Can you look at it? How thick is the trunk? Then come here. You do it like this. Like this. Wow. Yeah, the thickness is like 11 or what? Centimeter yata yung anak mo. Okay, so it's somehow thick, diba? Yung trunk niya. Let's look for another plant or another trees. Come on. Come on. About there. What's this? What's this, ate? Cassava. Cassava tree. Oh, which is bigger or thicker? That one or the papaya? Which is thicker?
Anong tick?
Mas makapal, mas ganun.
Mas bilog?
Mas bigger na bilog.
Papaya.
Yes, papaya. Okay, let's go here. Let's go to your Goliath tree. Where's our Goliath tree? Where? There. Why is it a Goliath tree?
So tough. Mami, ants dyan, man.
Can you measure it with a ruler?
Mami, madaming ants dyan.
Oo nga. Oh, let's not go there. Do you think you can measure it with a ruler?
No.
No, it's so thick. We're going, then. Oh, there's so many grass. Then. You want to measure the grass? Oh, you measure the grass. How long it is?
It's only 7.
7 centimeters. Okay, let's go more. Let's go walk.
7 din ako, ha? Tara pa.
How about the malunggay tree? How do you think, how tall is it?
I don't know. From height and then taller and taller. Hala, hindi ko nadala kanina lang.
Say bye for now. See you next time.
Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye-bye. See you next time. See you next time to our nature walk.